Hi guys, good afternoon. So it's already 5 o'clock guys and I'm cooking our dinner. So I will cook vegetable guys. So ayan, magluluto ako guys ng ginataang gulay. So I have kalabasa, beans po, and eggplant. And then lalagyan ko siya guys ng kunting chicken para may panglasa lang siya. So, ayan yung aking gulay guys. Let's start cooking.
A few moments later.
Ayan na nga guys ang ating ginataang gulay. Ito na yung aking gulay pero nakalimutan ko guys magsaing. So ayan. Tingnan nyo naman yan. So reels pa more. Anyways, kaya hanggang dito na lamang. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!